This tutorial will show you how to search the ATLA database for commentary and analysis about the apocalypse in the Bible. To get to ATLA, log into the MSMC portal with your username and password. Select Library from the main page, and then go under Find Information and Articles and Databases. Scroll down to see the list of all databases. Choose A for ATLA and scroll down till you see it. ATLA Religion Database is a comprehensive database that contains articles and essays from major religion and theology journals. To find information about the apocalypse in the Bible, we can type the term into the search box. We get almost 4,700 results, but at this point we'd want to narrow our search down by looking at the subject terms that are listed under the article citations. So we see in this database they do use the term apocalyptic, apocalypse, and apocalypticism. They also have Old Testament and New Testament as subject headings in this database. So we're going to switch to apocalypse as a subject and also combine it with New Testament, because we're going to look for literature that has to do with those two things in common. So we'll put New Testament in as a subject as well. This helps us get our search more specific. So we get 66 articles about the New Testament and the apocalypse. At this point, you can look at the 66 or you can limit a little bit further. So you see over here with the limiter section, they list academic journals. So out of the 66, 42 are academic journals. So we can limit to that, and you see the limiter is added and you're getting a little narrower. This is also an international database, so you could limit to English language and eliminate those that are not in English. So out of the 42, 28 of them are in English. So now we have a list of articles that are a combination of citations and full text articles. To get to the full text, you can look for the PDF full text underneath the article citation. This database also has a little hourglass where you can see the abstract or subject headings pop up. So you can get kind of a synopsis of the article before having to go into each and every article. So we're going to click on this article, the PDF, and the PDF is a scanned version exactly as the article would appear in the journal page to page, so you can cite it in your sources. And at this point you could download the article or print it. And there's also a citation feature. So the article will be listed in the various citation styles. Just have to make sure you pick the correct one, and you'll see that you can just copy this into your bibliography. If you see that the article is not full text, if we go back to our result list, you will see this Check True Serials for Full Text tab underneath each article. So at that point, if you wanted the full text of this article, you can click that. It will take you to the citation of the article, and it will look through not only the library collection, but other databases that we subscribe to. So this article happens to be full text in our JSTOR Language and Literature collection. So you could click this and follow the link and you would get the full text. It would also tell you if the library owned it or if it was in any other databases. You will always have the Google Scholar connection as well. You can check there. And if you don't see it listed in either of these places under another database, Google Scholar or the library collection, you can always request the article through interlibrary loan. And you will be taken back to the portal, and you're taken to a form that you can submit, and it's all pre-filled. It recognizes you because you've logged into the portal. The main parts of the article that we need to fill the request are already filled in. You simply submit the request and you would get an email telling you that the article was available. ATLA also allows you to search for analysis of specific scripture. So to do this, you choose Scriptures from the tab up on top of the main search page, and you will see the books of the Bible listed in order from Old Testament to New Testament. We're going to go to the end of the list, and we see the book of Revelation is listed. To find all the articles about the book of Revelation in general, you can simply click on the title of the book, and we see that we have 1,444 articles. So that's a lot of articles to go through, but you can go back and you can expand the book and see all the chapters and verses. So you could look for a very particular scripture that you might be interested in. So you can go to either chapter 5 in general, or you can expand chapter 5 and pick a verse. When you do that, you'll get a list of articles that have to do with analysis of that particular biblical verse, whatever you're interested in researching. Please contact me if you need any help